Previously on SolarBalls. Billions of years ago, the sun decided to question every planet of the solar system to find out who could be responsible for the atrocity that caused the end of 2 planets.
What happened?
I don't know.
Anything to say, Pluto? About what? Don't act as if you don't know.
Son, we don't know anything.
Yeah, we're super lost.
We wouldn't mind an update.
So you don't know about Theia and Proto-Earth's collision and death? Crash? Wait, those are...
No, that's not possible. How? Who?
That's exactly what I'm trying to figure out. If you know anything, now's the time to say it. We don't know anything, but if we notice anything, we'll tell you. I'm counting on that. Now go. Next! You shouldn't come here. The sun will find it suspicious. What about you? Because something tells me you're not just following me. You're guilty, aren't you? No, I just supported Proto. Jupiter told me to do it. And I just supported Theia and gave her a bit of a gravitational push. Oh, you're in big trouble, dude. And so are you. What, are you gonna use Jupiter as your scapegoat? You tattletale! You're more guilty! You pushed it yourself with your gravity! Proto-Earth was a bigger planet, and him going after Theia was your doing! My doing? Stop! It doesn't matter if you are guilty or not, okay? What matters is what he will think! So, neither of you knows anything. We do not, Mr. Sun. Nope, nada. But unlike Pluto and Sharon, you were aware of the crash? Yep, Uranus told me. But I only knew because Saturn told me. Saturn? Son, I don't think Saturn did anything wrong. Alright? Please don't tell him I said anything about... Be gone! Saturn! Jupiter! Your turn! What are we gonna say? Nothing that sounds incriminating. So we'll lie? Again? Nope. We'll tell the truth. We gotta go. It'll soon be our turn. You two go. I have to see if she'll wake up. She? Venus, how exactly are you expecting? That one. The middle one. It's the same size as Theia. Maybe she survived the crash, and those big and small chunks are from Proto-Earth. I don't know, dude. Then what? You want to believe they are gone? It's not about believing, Venus. It's about accepting. Saturn! A little space birdie called Uranus told me you are responsible for everything! Huh? Uranus said that? I'm paraphrasing. Well, Jupiter told me because Mars told him because Mars saw what happened. Is that so? Should I question Mars then, Jupes? Is this all you two want to say? Son, if they and Proto-Earth were in love and they wanted to create life together, when Mars came to me, he had trouble understanding this, so I explained it to him. Whatever Mars tells you, I was trying to counsel him. Thank you for your honesty. You may go. That was all. For now, at least. Mars! Already here, son. Wow! Didn't notice you there. Jupiter is 22 times bigger than me, so makes sense. Talking about Jupiter, you came to him looking for advice. I did. And what advice was that? To support my friend. I didn't push Proto or anything, but I didn't stop him when he went towards Theia. Whatever they were thinking when they encountered each other, that's something only they know. Or knew. You may go now, Mars. Venus? Before I move on to my next suspect, I will address you! Yes, you there, the one watching this video. After months of research and safety tests, we finally have a sun plushie that will not burn your house to the ground. Apparently plasma and fire were not responsible materials or something. Anyways, they are available to pre-order now through the SolarBalls store. Will you get yours? Venus! I've heard several confessions from your friends about—
They're not my friends. None of them.
What?
My only friend in this rotten solar system is there, and I want to be there for her. So can we do this fast?
Venus! Did you do anything that might have resulted in Proto-Earth and Theia's crash?
What didn't I do?
Wait, are you confessing to—
Like this curse I have. I tried to keep Proto and Theia apart for the longest time. I tried talking sense to her, supporting her in developing life, or pushing him away. And guess what? Everything I did had the opposite effect. I'm like the god of love, son. But guess what? My powers work on everyone except myself.
But Venus, you could have—
What? I tried everything. And instead of getting anything, I just lost and lost and lost. So I said, hey, perhaps I am the problem. So let's try something new for a change. Let's support Theia, and I did. And I want to believe she forgave me, but I'm afraid I'll never know. Because for some reason, they—
Venus!
Blame me for everything if you want. I couldn't care less. No! No! Come on, Theia! I know you're there! Don't do this to me! Please come back, Theia! Theia!
Venus, can you please? It's my turn, son. No need, Mercury. I already heard everything You haven't heard my side, though. But you're not guilty of anything. I know. And neither is Venus, or Jupiter, or any of them. I understand you're trying to find a culprit here, but the only culprits are them. Why would they ever do this to themselves? I wish I had the answers. Maybe they realized something about the universe none of us yet understands. Or maybe they were just two crazy lovers. I don't know. But they wanted each other, and in the end, that's what they got. Mercury, I have to do something. I have to. Then move on.
Thanks for watching! Oh, and the next episode is already on Patreon, so watch it a week early by joining. Also, consider checking out our SolarBalls store to get exclusive plushies and solar cards. Bye!